Hi, I'm Bass, and I'm renovating my neighbor's bulb farm. Even though I've installed the steel wall, there's still plenty of work ahead. Though right now, I'm focusing mostly on my own house, as those jobs need doing too. In this episode, there's a bird invasion of unprecedented proportions, plus a look at the animals and the work I'm doing on my own home. I used black silicone where the iron panels don't fit together tightly. I do this because it can get extremely windy here in the coastal region, and if the wind were to catch the panels, they could be blown apart or damaged. A bird invasion like nothing I've ever seen before. The field was packed, and when the flock took off, well, you can see for yourself.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
St. John's wort can make horses sick. It is harmful to them, so I am busy removing it. I am not sure, however, if it is a good idea to throw it onto the manure heap.
The seagull chicks have grown enormously and are already flying, although their landings were a bit of a struggle. They have now flown the nest and we don't see them anymore, likely busy catching fish out at sea.
I completely forgot to film my work at home, so I used our security cameras. They track human figures, which allows me to show you something after all. The ewe and the lamb continue to fascinate me. The little one is growing well, but his mother isn't very affectionate. She barely lets him nurse and walks away from him. Sometimes they stand or lie quite far apart, but as long as the little fellow keeps growing, things are fine. What could be nicer than hearing horses eat? They are content with what they have, happily chewing and ruminating together. Otrojka is a character in her own right. She's at the bottom of the pecking order, so everyone pushes her around, but she is very sweet, blind in one eye and with a few small lumps here and there. She is originally French, a Camargue, and she sometimes acts quite strangely, making us laugh. Thanks for joining us on our journey again. I hope you enjoyed it. Next time, I'll show you more of the things I need to tackle around the house, as well as updates on the barn, the animals, the pasture, and the birds. And don't forget to like and subscribe.